Just listed, a Henlopen model built by Skell Brothers. This large beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with an open floor plan has all the upgrades. It features a beautiful large great room with cathedral ceiling, an office, a gas fireplace, and hardwood floors throughout. It also features an ACE security system, an upgraded eat-in gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, double ovens, granite countertops, and an office. The master suite features a tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, a luxury bath with a seated tile shower. Other features included with this home are a walk-in attic that could be converted to another bedroom, a tankless water heater, an oversized 2-car garage, and a full basement with an exterior door and bathroom rough-in that is perfect for storage or expansion of your living space. All of this is located in spectacular community of Coastal Club that features natural gas, indoor and outdoor pools, swim-up-pool bar and clubhouse bar, designated kiddie splash park with interactive fountain and pirate ship play area, state-of-the-art fitness center, outdoor tennis, horseshoe, and bocce courts, nature viewing areas, arts and craft center, a dog park, and more. All of this is within close proximity to the beaches in Lewes, Henlopen State Park, and Rehoboth Beach. Call for an appointment today.